What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Let's look at how to upgrade romKTpro 21.9.22 from previous 9.17 version. I am using 17 version now and I do have my datas in. Let's see whether we will be able to upgrade this build to latest 9.22 without any data loss or major bugs. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, let's quickly access the About Phone session and confirm version. If you see, MIUI version is romKTpro 21.9.17 beta. As you see, there are some images as well as some data in my storage. You can see that in my gallery. And I do have all my applications installed, including benchmarking tools. Now let's open PUBG. If you see, I have all the maps and all resource pack downloaded. I have also downloaded the 21.9.22 file. You can see the same in my file manager and SD card. Now let's quickly start the installation. First is to reboot your phone into recovery. I am using Sky Havoc 3.0. It is mandatory that to use Sky Havoc or the Orange Fox recovery. If you are not using Sky Havoc recovery, download the version from the description. Make sure that you have installed it. So now select Wipe and Advanced Wipe. Continue selecting Dalvik, Cache, System and Vendor. I am not touching internal storage or data since we are going to do a upgrade without data loss. Once all wiped, select Install. Go to SD card. I am using SD card because I kept my downloaded file here. You can browse into your downloaded file location. Once you are in, select the romKTpro 21.9.22 file. I am selecting Reboot after installation is complete. Next is to select the tick mark to start installation process. Once the installation finishes, make sure that there is no errors noticed. My phone will automatically reboot since I have selected to do so. If you have not selected, reboot your phone manually. Now wait until the phone to finish booting. It won't take much of time, even though it is the first boot of this version. Once your phone does boots up, use the previous lock screen to unlock the phone. The first thing I'll be checking is the Angry Bird AOD. Yes, the option is working pretty well. Now let's quickly get into About Phone session. If you see, the MIUI version is 21.9.22 beta, which is the latest romKTpro. Next is to confirm the files as well as the PUBG data. So if I go to gallery, all my screenshots and images are present. And next is my recent menu. As you see, the recent menu is still present. And the game did reloaded, which is pretty much expected since we have changed the system. So now wait until the PUBG to boot up and confirm the data. So yeah, as you see, all the maps are still available and can start gaming. So this is how you can upgrade romKTpro 21.9.17 to latest 9.22 without any data loss or any major bugs. As far I tested, and as you see, I never noticed any bugs so far. I'll continue my testing with this ROM and try to upload the review as soon as possible. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.